Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Hatchimals Alive Hatchi-Nursery kit. My daughter had this for over 2 months now, and this is a great toy to play with. So let me show you all the items that comes with the set. So it brings the 4 Hatchimal toys. 3 of them she already hatched, and then we've been waiting for this one more just to make this video. It comes with like a small little stairs over here for your Hatchimal babies to climb to their bed. It has this bigger ladder just to climb up to the 2nd floor. It has this mobile that moves around. There's a little drawer right here to put all the little toys in here. Here's another bed. Here's a shelf here. This is a slide that you will put the Hatchimal in here, and then this cloud is full of water, and then you lift this up, and then the water comes down, and then once the Hatchimal is here and then the water hits it, it will crack by itself, and then the baby surprise will come out. On this side right here, there's a small little staircase that they could play, and then once all the babies are hatched, you could use this as a slide for them just to slide down to the pool. Okay, so my daughter's going to show you how the Hatchimal baby hatches. So she's going to put the egg inside the pool, lift up the little cloud slowly to pour the water out. And then we're going to wait a little bit like this, and then you can see the cracking of the egg. Right before your eyes. So it's very cool, and it's like a lifelike baby coming out of a real egg. And then you just finish peeling it to finish it, and then there's your baby surprise coming out. So once your little one is finished cracking all the eggs, then the baby comes out. And then the egg itself is like a stand for the little baby to stand on when you're not using it. If you're interested in buying this, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Hatchimals Alive toy set. I like how the eggs are like mystery eggs. And then once you put it in the water, it cracks by itself. So it's very lifelike, like a real baby is being born from an egg. I like all the little areas that your little one could play with. So this set is more than just cracking the egg. They could keep on playing with this even after the egg crack. This is a great buy.